Are you struggling to lose weight? No matter how you try dieting or exercise, it's not your fault. In 2022, Stanford scientists discover a bizarre 5-second Himalayan ice hack discovered last week. This ancient alpine ice water method eats through 1 pound every 24 hours. This newly discovered Nepalese cold water hack electrifies sleeping metabolism. This bizarre Nepalese ice water trick is revitalizing body shapes worldwide. That instantly turbocharges your metabolism by 450% or more. All you need is some ice from your freezer, and this alpine secret. It's more powerful than any diet or exercise plan on earth. And so easy it'll feel like you're cheating at weight loss. Try it for yourself before you go to bed tonight and lighter by tomorrow morning. This ice hack turbocharges metabolism by 450%. The longest living people on the planet do this ice hack each evening, and when they do, they melt through more fat in 1 week than 1 year of dieting and exercise. Thank you for watching this video.